Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app to enable this sign on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click on my learning down here. So when you click here on my learning, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. So then all you have to do now, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on light mode here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on dark mode. So when you click on it, it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.